the Manlambas festival in Escalante City. Negros Occidental is celebrated every May and gets its name from the Hiligaynon word lambas, which means to strike with something heavy. The name comes from the belief that the waters of Escalante were once filled with fish that could easily be caught by striking them with a club. The town of Escalante was originally known as Manlambas because its coastal waters were abundant with fish, which could be caught simply by using a club or lambas. Escalante was created as a municipality on November 28, 1856, and in 1860, it was renamed Escalante after the hometown of Fr. Cipriano Navarro in Spain.
welcome us all that is here. Sa behalf of Barangay Council, salamat sa iyong pagsalig na dako, Kuya Kap, o mga kagawan, salamat sa iyong pagsalig for the second year na nalaan ng pista. Salamat kayo. So, talagang mga residentes sa ako, mga visitors sa mga OFW, mga judges, salamat sa inyong pag-alipin sa pista. Pinawelcome na mo tanan. Happy Pista! Daang Lungsod!
Thank you so much for your president. Salamat mo, very humble. And now, to inspire us further, let us hear a message from our punong barangay, the Honorable Mr. Tommy Aramon Pinola Jr. A big hand, please.
May hapon, kinakaputan. Murag luyaman. Happy Fiesta, Daang Lungsod!
Happy Fiesta!
Okay, no? Congratulations, no? Sa ikapat na kaadlaw ng mga activities, no? Ang amuan. Hindi mo successful, no? So, nagkasalamat sa mga tabang o nag-amal nung mahinong successful ang ato ang listahan. Sa ika-tuig 2025, mauman ang pagsaulong na ito sa kapistahan ng kapistahan ni Senior San Francisco de Assisi. Mauusap ang ato ang tema na ang pakikupan kag San Francisco sa kapagkuhan sa katiliman o sa kinalayahan. So, na-reflect na ito na Senior San Francisco na naman buwag ito siya mag-isod, no? Na naman normal na tao niya nagkwanto siya nagpapos niya na naman matasan niya magdinamahon, no? Mausap na akong na-feel sa ako ang kauban karon. Mali akong mga kauban sa pag-i-counsel, kauban na ito ng mga sa direct family, no? So, nagpasalamat kayo kanila kay very supportive kayo, no? Usap, hindi mahimong successful po na ito ang kapistahan, kundi usap, wala taong lagi o isuportahan sa ano ang amahan sa yutang bulahan. Ako ang palampakan si Honorable Mayor Mauricio Pibuyan, no? Kay sa katatuig, nahimok na niya yung tulumanon sa pag-abang nato. Ako sa palampakan, ako ang Honorable Vice Mayor, si Rodrigo Ritos, no? Honorable Vice Mayor, Rodrigo Ritos, sa palampakan. Usap, ako kong pinalangka na ito ang inisilihan, si Honorable Manuel Zamora, no? Ang palampakan, salamat kayo, Speaker, sa iyong presensya karon. Sa ito ang Pista President, si Mr. Jennifer Mandiling, na moral lang, wala ka, no? Kaupantong ka ito nung kumbate. At ang palampakan ay sakripisyo ko taon eh. Usap, ihabot ng mga puro federation officers sa pagpalampakan. Hindi lang ako nagsatakasahon kay umayumay sa presidentan. Usap, ato asang i-acknowledge sa nato ang pinalanggang Honorable District Chairman si Andres P. Villasor, no? Nahanginig, sugod sa Sugod, no? Preparasyon na mo, nahanin siya nga awal na to. Usap, salamat na usap sa aduang presensya sa aduang ni Reverend Father Paul Ray, no? Sino niya si Father Buboy. Salamat kay Father Buboy, no? Na sa pagkirong adlaw, datay, kaingawan diri. So, no? Entrada sa atong kapisahan. Usap, salamat usap sa presensya ni Reverend Father Rico. People say, itong palakpakan. Father, salamat kayo. Supporting kayo kaya datay nahin ka, no? Usap, ang ato ang panel of judges, no? Ato ang commission officer, si Ms. Pinchi Imas. Ato palakpakan. Salamat kayo, ma'am, no? Usap, ikaw ba yung mga judges na ato ang ibitar, ako silang palakpakan, no? Una yung pwede si ma'am. Diri sa English, kung yung application niya sa ato ang judges. Ako ang palakpakan ko nila ko, si Ma'am Teresa Willis, wasa di sa Polo. No? All ang organization yun, at nawa ko ni si Mother Lee sa office na kalunti. Ako ang palakpakan. O, nawag ko ka. Nawag ko ka. Kung saan ako asang pasalamatan ng atong tulong na principal na si Ma'am Loina, si Ma'am Juliet Donaire, si Ma'am Angeline Kalumpitan. Kay Dili Kalumpitan, wala sila musugot, wala yung kaya-sikas niya ito ang mga iso na isa, no? Wala kayo nga, pero gawin kayo. So, mag-unsa naman lang na o wala yun, wala din. Ako palakpakan ang Witness family. Salamat kayo, ma'am, sir, no? Ang ato ang barangay tanong, wasa kinitong. Ako sa palakpakan ang Witness at Pisa Norte sa ato ang barangay. Ang ato ang Pisa mo yun, naarangga, nagpagiging, no? Pinagiging sa kanto, nasuporta din nato. So, sa tanang mga sponsors, before ko makalimot, daghan kayong salamat sa inyong pag-abag sa kapistahan at undaan na mo ang mga obligasyon. Salamat kayo inyong sa tanang mga principal sponsors. No? So, sa mga ginikanan, sa panabahan, nga inyong itukutan ng inyong anak, nga inyong ipasayaw karong lawa na mao'y magpasundayan. Daghang salamat kayo inyong tanan. Karong maligay niya po ang 29 Malnamos Physical. So, sa wala ko mismo kay interesado na kayo sa iyo ako ha. So, ato na lang isingit ang ato ang kalibay. Unya taon-taon, no? Kamahimong successful, no? Kung doon na magandang naghanpan, kalinawan, ng gabi, umampon. So, kagatong talan, mayong hapon, o Viva! Señor San Francisco de Assisi.
Viva!
Thank you so much, General Family Montinola, and thank you for, of course, noting as a reminder the various of this fiesta, our patron saint, St. Francis of Assisi. At this point, to ensure a smooth and fair competition, we shall have a reading of short guidelines. We call on Ma'am Allen Rizal to do the honors.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is my task to read to you the general guidelines for today's Manlamas Festival Dance Competition. So I know for sure na ang tanan, especially the trainers, kapalulan sila kung sa mga himuhon, sa kumatira, na nalikot na lubasa. General guidelines number 1. All entrants should have a minimum of 35 and a maximum of 40 dancers members, excluding craftsmen. Craftsmen should wear black, dark-colored shirts with or without breads, black dark pants, and if possible, black shoes. A deduction of 3 points from the final score per judge shall be imposed in violation of this rule. Number 2, participants should be a qualified resident of Barangay Old Poblacion, Escalante City. Number 3, each contingent must have 1 assigned barangay kagawan, 1 coordinator, and 1 official trainer designated by the zone. Number 4, entry forms must be submitted to the organizer on or before September 15, 2025 for proper documentation and identification. A deduction of 3 points from the final score per judge shall be imposed for late submission and 5 points for non-submission. Number 5, the competition will have 2 major parts. The first part, which is per 50% of the total score, is the Pari sa Dalan starting at DES 1:30 p.m. and proceeding to the Parish Plaza. The second part is the Pasigarbo sa Magnamos at St. Francis Parish Plaza 3 p.m. Each part will be further discussed later in the guidelines. Number 6, a ranking system will be used to determine the winners. In case of a tie, a point system will be applied. If in one system there is a tie, the chairman of the board of judges will be given the task to break it. Number 7, the committee will choose the set of judges. Judges' decision is final and non-appealable. There will be separate judges for Pari sa Dalan and Pasigarbo for numbers. Number 8, assembly time is preferably an hour before the competition starts at EES for Pari sa Dalan and at the Parish Plaza for Pasigarbo sa Manlapos. The organizers will announce the remaining time before the competition begins. Any contingent arriving after this announced time will be considered late. Late arrival at the assembly area will be a deduction of 5 points from the final score per judge. Number 9, all contingents can use the DES ground as their holding area while waiting for the start of the competition. Each contingent or tribe will be given a designated area inside the school, provided that such area will be their responsibility and they have to ensure the cleanliness and orderliness of it. There will be assigned technical officials to monitor the cleanliness and orderliness of the designated areas. When Pari sa Dalan competition starts and all the contingents are already outside the school, the technical officials will check the cleanliness and orderliness of each contingent's assigned area. Failure to maintain the cleanliness and orderliness of the designated holding area would mean a reduction of 5 points from the final score per judge. Number 10, trainers are strictly prohibited from joining the competing contingent both in Pari sa Dalan and Pasigarbo sa Manlapos. A reduction of 3 points from the final score per judge shall be imposed in violation for this rule. 11. Costumes to be worn are specified. Female, long sleeve camiseta or balo with bell sleeves, long pants, hands rolled up, same as the male, covered with bright colored patacho or a piece of rectangular cloth which will serve as tapis and turban covers the head. Male, long sleeve camiseta de chino, colored pants, heels rolled up to the knee with body hats on the head. Both males and females are required to put a nahaw heels around their necks to partially cover their torso, front, back, and shoulders. There is another vital part of Manlapos costuming as in the old days. Fisher folk believe that these leaves would additionally protect them from the scorching heat of the sun while at sea. String the leaves and put it around them and tie it. In case an animal leaves are available in the locality, contingents may consider using other leaves as alternatives to anahaw. If the contingents find it hard to use real leaves, they may use artificial anahaw leaves or other types of leaves as alternatives to anahaw, which are made of plastic, paper, or other suitable materials, provided that they do not cause harm to the performers. Number 12, the use of religious images or representation is strictly prohibited, with the sole exception of the printed, painted, or structural sport. Number 13, verbal or written complaints must be made by the official tribe coordinator or trainer to the organizer within 10 minutes after the performance of the concerned group performer. Each complaint must be supported by evidence like photo, video, and the like. The organizer shall then validate if the complaint mirrors any merit or deliberation. All forms of complaints after the announcement of winners shall no longer be entertained. Number 14, announcement of winners and awarding will take place at the parish plaza. Last, failure to follow the stated guidelines shall be subjected to corresponding penalties and or disqualification. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Manali. And tonight, our judges and competing groups, here is the reading of criteria by our co-chairperson, Sir Mark Glenn G.A.P. A big round of applause, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is my honor to read to you the criteria for judging for both Pasigarbos and Manalambos at Bailey sa Dalan. For the Pasigarbos and Manalambos, choreography, 25%. Performance, 25%. Theme concept, 20%. Costume, 10%. Production design, 20%. A total of 100%. For the Bailey sa Dalan, creative video dance patterns, 30%. Choreography, 30%. Performance, 20%. Costume and props, 10%. Endurance and discipline, 10%. A total of 100%. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Martin. And now to introduce to us our esteemed judges, the panel judges. Let's have Sir Vision Martins.
Good afternoon once again, and to our distinguished guests. We are all knowing that we have a panel of board of judges for this afternoon affair, the welcome party. Now we are honored again to having us today a panel of judges whose expertise and dedication will guide us through this competition. Please join me in welcoming this esteemed board of judges. Let's start with our judge number 1. Judge number 1 is a graduate of Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Physical Education at the Philippine Normal University. Special awardee in dance, Philippine Normal University. A Master of Education, major in Physical Education. Dance Arts Specialist, Special Program in the Arts, Special Program in the Arts Coordinator, a dance trainer and a choreographer. Let's give a round of applause to Sir Alexon B. Arnaiz. Magwapo ni Sir, nadumagan ang mga judges na gwapo. Ogong nagsalasal ang China. Aking our second judge. Nawala lang po. Okay. Our second judge is passed the civil service examination on March 2017.
completed Masters in Public Administration at State University of Northern Negros, formerly UNESCO, in the year 2020. Worked as an Information Officer 2 of the Local Government Unit of Escalante from 2017 to the present. Designated as Tourism Officer of the Local Government of Escalante from 2022 to present. City Finance and Negros overall coordinator. Spearheaded some of the cultural events of the city of Escalante, such as Manlambos Festival Queen, Manlambos Street Dancing Competition, Mugdang Arts Festival, Cheer Dance Competition, and the Ultimate Battle of Talents, to name a few. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our city judge, Ma'am Pichimei Abibas, AKA. Tuloy pa lang kami, nagwako karagwa pa ng pagkaya si Ma'am. Bless kayo ang all populations as judges. Happy our third judge, a graduate of Negros Oriental State University with a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in MAPI. Former Lorso Cabinet Dance Troupe choreographer, joined National PASO, representing Lorso for the hip-hop dance category as performer and the contemporary dance category as choreographer in 2015 and 2016 respectively. Member of the Big Sound Crew of Dumaguete City, finalist World of Dance 2017 held at the UP Diliman, Quezon City. Three-time champion choreographer of Escalante City Charter Day Cheer Dance Competition year 2018, 2018, and 2024. Dancer and choreographer of various dance forms. Ladies and gentlemen, our very own Gianggo na nato, Sir Regan M. Nagatan. Thank you so much, sir. And now for our fourth judge, and of course, our chief judge, our street dance and arena showdowns judge. She is a passionate artist, educator, and cultural advocate whose dedication to performing arts and community development continues to inspire many. She is a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science graduate and serves as cultural coordinator at MCCEI from 2018 to 2020, where she promoted cultural preservation and youth involvement in the arts. A seasoned dance choreographer and Manaal San Negros folk dancer since 2007. Her artistry has earned her recognition, including being part of the champion team of Manlambos Festival 2021, winning Best in Choreography and Best in Street Dancing. Behind the stage, she also works as a freelance photographer, makeup artist, and pageant director, showcasing her creativity across multiple disciplines. At present, she imparts her knowledge as a social science teacher at Escalante National High School. She be the minds of the next generation with the same passion she brings to culture and the arts. Once again, Escalante Hanod, our chief judge. Let's welcome with a round of applause to Miss Sibel B. Bitti. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sir Vincent. Thank you so much, our judges. Now, so I think, are you all ready? Ready na ba ito na? The stage is set, the energy is high, and it's time for the contest proper. Feeling ako pa din na yun ako tungkol sa kakusog. So, good na ta? Ready na ba? Wala ko nabatian. Sa unang panahon, ang tribo basta-basta malinawon o manipayong nagbuyo sa dating sa palipayon. Ang mao ang ilang kinabuhi, ang ilang pagkaon o ang ilang kalipay. Kada adlaw ang ilang mga puhon puno sa isda o ang ilang mga balay puno sa pagdawat o pasalamat. Apan ang kalipay nilamo sa kasakit. Tungkol sa sobrang pagpadagat o kalapasan sa gasa sa kadagatan, ang ilang kasibo na iyong kalagot. Ang dagat niya malihato ng hatag kinabuhi na iyong usa ka tinudang sa silot. Misukod ang usok ng mga balot, mikusok ang ulan o minabot ang tabong kalamidad. Dito, sa taliwala sa kagubrot o kasakit, nakapamalatong ang tribo. Nakasabot sila na kining silot tungod sa ilang sala, ang pag-abuso sa gasa sa kaligtasan. Sa ilang hadyo o pakilulsod, silang inuko, nag-ampo o nangayo o pasayo. Ang kaligtasan ang pinasayuon na tungod ang ilang pag-ampo, ang dagat ni tayo na pag-usab, ang pangalod ni hawan o ang adlaw ni silang kabalik. Ang tribo ginasayo o ginatagan o ikaduhang higayon. O ikaniato, ang tribo basa-basa na malipayong nakatuon na ang gasa sa dagat kinahanglan ang pingan, kay hindi maawang tinudan sa kinabuhi. Sa ilang pagsahulog, sila nag-awit, nagsayaw, o nagpasalamat sa kaligtasan. Ladies and gentlemen, let us witness the performance of Tribo Basa-Basa! Ang anak siya sa live. No? So, ang ginagawa ng mga trainers is naamoy instruction sa atong operator. Please makinig sa atong operator o sa atong chairman diri sa Bahaw. Let's welcome to attention number 1, Tribo Basa-Basa!
Kaya after matapos ng music, I'll be reading the synopsis and you'll start the dance. Again, mga kusog, para sa bawat pinches, the moment I play ang sweet dance music, inyong i-prepare ang inyong mga props at backdrops, ay pagkatapos sa sweet dance music, musugod mo sa ito. Basa mo sa iyong synopsis, musugod mo sa iyong sayaw. sa Manapos Festival, ang mga kaabot sa ilang tanaw, mapasigarduhon na nakasundayang sa ilang mga pilitan, na nakahiusa isip-usa ang lingkod ng komunidad. Among ipakita ang kalipay o garbo sa atong kultura, kini sa kaadlaw sa paghandong sa atong mga kalunahan at sa ilang mga paningkam. Magpadayon kita sa pagsuporta sa atong mga isingatawon o sa pagpalambo sa atong komunidad. Ang mga tao sa ilang tanaw, sa iyo pa managamatang aron maadto sa kadagatan, usang sakripisyo aron mamadayon ang ilang pagpanginabuhi. Uban sa pagpaningkamon, pamukod, panuno, o pagpangihas sa mga grasya kagitan sa atong mathala, ilang ipakita ang tagugin o determinasyon. Ang uban sa ilang mga buhak, ginabalik niya o ginapaparte, para natunay bugas, o ang uban pang kinahanglan sa batang adlaw. Ang ilang tahago, nagbunga o ilo, aron matukoy ang ilang pamilya. Busa, aniya kami karon sa iyong matubangan, nagkaiusa sa pagpakita sa among mga abilidad o sa among ipagsundayan na mabuhi sa among tribo. among ipasigato ang paglambot sa mga katawan upang sa paglaot o positibo ang paglantaw sa kaumaon. Padayon kita sa pagtinabangay o pagpaligod sa atong komunidad. Among ipakita sa katawan nga ang mga tagayulanta na likod o andam sa pagatupan sa bisan sa hagit sa kinabuhi. Gilangkupan sa Yolanda, Kamya o Ganaw. Tribu, Yolanda na!
Yolanda na.
Before padayon kinaayo ang mga tao kanina nagpabak dira sa tuwang entrance sa pagpalihog padapli o ato ang kawanan na alagyan aron makasulod ang ato ang sulod ng grupo. Music and tapos sa music, I will be reading the synopsis and the contingent will start their dance.
Layo sa uric acid.
unfolds in the heart of Senior people, a community rooted in tradition, faith, and harmony with nature. The story opens by portraying their peaceful way of life, catching fish through the traditional method of manapos, and farming the land with unity and dedication. Their efforts lead to a season of abundance, celebrated with joy, music, and thanksgiving. As part of their cultural tradition, the village holds a vibrant fiesta filled with dance, laughter, and shared blessings. However, the joyful occasion takes a tragic turn when a group of alcoholic teenagers steers chaos, resulting in a timely death of a teenager and the accidental injury of a young child. The festive atmosphere quickly shifts into mourning, and the community is left in sorrow and disbelief. In the midst of their grief, the people turn to divine light, seeking guidance, healing, and renewed strength through prayer and reflection. Their faith is answered, and over time, blessings return. with another fruitful harvest and hearts full of gratitude, the community embraces peace and reconciliation. The performance concludes with a powerful display of unity, symbolizing the strength, resilience, and enduring spirit of Tribu Mamosa de Serbia, reborn through faith, unity, and hope. Kinautuban sa Turong Mangga mula po sa aking Debera, Servilas Sovietico. Ladies and gentlemen, Tribu Mamosa de Serbia. Puro, Manga. Before we proceed, emergency, may nakuha sa likod, medics, please assist. Nalagay na po asigo, mabusa, diserikira. Okay, mahalaga po ang kamuhan diri sa mga linsay na mga pagkakilon para pagkakil sa mga dancers.
sa mga taong ang pamuliyang tingin. May nagdala isda nga buhat sa mga mangingisda, direkta nga ginabaligya sa merkado nga maong sentro sa ekonomiya diri sa tribo nga anaa tupad sa hilid sa baybayon. Ginadagsa sa mga tawhan ng merkado nga puno sa nagalain-lain nga produkto nga gikan sa dagat. So sa kaadlaw, may bagyo nga nilasak sa mga panimalay, tindahan o pamabulihan sa mga katawhan. Nag-antos o nag-ison ang mga katawhan sa ilang nasayran nga katalagman. Ang mga tao ay nag-ison sa pagtungkod sa ilang gubak nga panimalay, sa mga nagubak nga negosyo o sa mga nagubak ilang panganubuhian. Busa, ang mga tao ay gabadayon nga gaampo sa kahitasan o gahatag-halad sa labaw ng mga gagaw. Ang tribo naman mangingisda ang ginagawa sa Marketside, Creekside, Parkside, Copa-Alva, Banda Tungao, Usay, nagubad kaninyo ang magsapulo sa ika-29 ng kapistahan sa Manlabos. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome contingent number 4, Tribo Lumang Mangingisda.
Wow, that was Trio Lumat Maulita. Gilangkuhan sa market side, Creekside, Parkside, Kukwadaw, Kabandatunga, o Busay.
Tuloy na lang. Ito na lang. Ito na lang. Kaupat na to. Kalingas. Doon na lang din. Ito. Sunod, ikalima. Ito. Yan na, sunod na lang ito.
Nalisod din daw sila sa Europe, so may birthday ng bata. Naliyon na mag-ihangyo ang mga tao dali sa kilid, dali sa exit area, dali sa area ni Ma'am Sara. Paliyon, hawanan ninyo nila, ay para madawas ang matawa ang mga dancers. Kaya pwede rin itong bugata sa mga crowds. A great combination of four CQs forming Zone 5, comprising Maitong, Palanas, Cubay, and Cabi, are places where culture blends with nature. They also give meaning to their tribe by deriving it in their daily living, where Ma represents manlangos, a way of catching fishes along shore, striking it by the use of a club and putting it in a small basket and sticking Pao. Pao represents real living and catching bounties from the sea to the glittering shoreline of the coastal areas such as Panglawud, Panginhas, Pangisda, Panuyod, and Panalo. Panglawud is a term for fishermen's routine and devoids and emphasizes
Panuyo is a way of catching bounties such as fishes, crabs, and shrimps with the help of the lamp, usually happening before sunrise and after sunsets. Panginhas is a way of picking shells and other bounties which is usually done during low tide while others doing manlangos or paglangos sa mga isda, since it is a perfect time of catching bounties at the glittering coastal areas. Panuyo, a way of catching shrimps, usually happens at night and before sunrise. Come, a Spanish term for covering, means to cover, where the tribe uses coconut leaves, shaping it into a masterpiece, and use it during daytime to protect them against the heat of the sun. Libo, away from selling bounties that serve as their daily living and a source of their income, where they collect and gather all the bounties that they have coming from the glittering coastal area of the sea. These are the tribe's unique traditions of fishing and catching bounties to the glittering coastal areas that preserves, or they have learned by their mistakes in doing illegal activities, where the nature avenge for all of the mistakes that they have done. After all the suffering and calamities, they happily celebrate their festivity, dress up, gather, and enjoy for the rest of their life. Tribo mapakubli nga gilangguhan sa mga ito, palanas Gubayan Kabi. Ladies and gentlemen, contingent number 5, Tribo Mapakubli.
Prepare na lang mudaan.
Maliwayo sila, nagtiyabakan, o katunay na nakiusap. Adawan daw sila mag-isla sa dagat, o ilang ipaagin ang ilang pagkaon sa ilang pamilya ng silihan. Puno sa kalinang o kalimay, ilang kinabuhi. Apalo sa kaaglaw, miabot ang mga tulisan. Gikawat nila ang isla upang kaon ay panikamunan pagkuhas sa mga tao. Mas grabe pa, nasaktan o napatay nila ang pipila kaluluwa. Tungod niini, nag-atos sa mga tao o nabati ang kasulubog sa tibos. Nagaman ang kawakan o pagkaon o wala na kahimayon sa saon pagbalay. Bisan sa iyang kasakit, nahihundog ang mga tao sa ilang puso. Bibindog sila sa nangyaman o naripusan. Nipaling sila sa dagat aron ng isla. Nananong o pagkaon o bulan, o hinahinay nila itugod pagkain ang ilang kinabuhi. Sa katapusan, nipaling ang paglaon sa sityo mga society. Nagselebra ang mga tao upang sa kalipay. Nagpamandoon na bisan kung sa kanatumang pagsilay, ang ilang panahibusa, mauihapon ang mag-atak kanila o puso, ang buawang pag-usap. Ang tribo maasasayon na pabiling likod, iusap o biling mabuka. Iakuban sa burong kapinulito ang susina, kalibay o iwanon. Ladies and gentlemen, tribo maasasayon.
today. Sorry. Okay, thank you so much, dancers. Tagal po kayo salamat sa itong mga trainers, sa itong zone coordinator. Thank you guys so much, no? And syempre ako, pasalamatan ng ato ang Barangay Council, headed by our Kapitan Tawi, dagang kayong salamat. Of course, at ang Fiesta Committee, headed by our Fiesta President, Sir Jennifer Bandiling. Thank you guys, sir. Okay, so na-witness na to ang unong ka-performing groups. Karon, every group, nag-select sila of best male at female dancer.
This time, best male and female dancers sa mga contingent will showcase another supplementary sila. Showcase sila sa ilang dance skills at the judges will choose kung isa ka matuwa best male and female dancers. Sa karoon ka, pasatubong sa daang ang gusto.
Mga dancers ko, no? Sa kadagilid lang mo. So again, at this juncture, we highlight the best of the best with the showdown of the best male and female dancers.
Susukat po asa ng best male and female dancers from Zone 1.
Give way to the best male and female dancers of Zone 2.
Of course, we conclude the best male and female dancers from Zone 3.
Yes, syempre, hindi ko mga pwede, no? Ang best male and female dancers coming from Zone 4.
Our senior masters of best male and female dancers from Zone 5.
And syempre, last but not the least, the best male and female dancers coming from Zone 6. We will request the dancers, ang mga dancer din, pakinig lang mo para mas makahatag o nindot kayo ng performance ang ating male and female dancers coming from the different zones. Okay, so number 1 sa number 4, followed by number 2, 3, 4, and 5, and syempre number 6. So first to perform is Tribo Basa-Basa. So may we request the remaining dancers atras ng samo kadali ng langga para kapag gusto o pasundagad ang ato ang mga dancer. Okay, ready? Let's give way to the male and female dancers of contingent number 1.
Trigo, you got the round. Maasong sabon! While the judges are still finalizing the results, I'm Montiona and Sir Jennifer Mantili and all the Tagawans.
Let me read the content of the certificate. Republic of the Philippines, Province of Negros Occidental, City of Escalante, Barangay All Poblacion. Certificate of Recognition. I inform BR9 for reporting his expertise as judge during the Pasigabo sa Daong Sod Wilapin, Manlabo sa Kaisama 2025, pagiguman sa kalagatan, panagibusan sa katawan. Given the score of October 2025, at Barangay All Poblacion ng Escalante City, Negros Occidental. Signed or by the Esteban President Jennifer Mantili and our Barangay Chairman, Camila Mantanala Jr. The same certificate is also given to PCNA Avivas for reporting her expertise as judge during the Pasigabo sa Daang Lungsod 2025. The same certificate of recognition is given to